Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer headquartered in Richfield, Minnesota. It was founded by Richard M. Schultz and Gary L. Smoliak in 1966 and has grown to become one of the largest consumer electronics retailers in the United States. Best Buy operates both online and through brick-and-mortar stores, offering a wide range of products, including electronics, appliances, and various other consumer goods. To make money online with Best Buy in 2024, follow these step-by-step guidelines for beginners. 1. Create an account. First, visit the Best Buy Affiliate Program website, www.bestbuyaffiliateprogram.com/ and create an account. This program is managed by FlexOffers, a reputable affiliate network. By signing up, you'll be able to promote Best Buy products and earn commissions on qualifying sales. 2. Familiarize yourself with the platform. Once you've created an account, spend some time exploring the Best Buy Affiliate Program interface. Familiarize yourself with the available tools, resources, and reporting features. This will help you understand how the program works and how to maximize your earnings. 3. Choose your promotion method. There are various ways to promote Best Buy products and earn commissions. Some popular methods include A. Blogging. Create a blog or website focused on technology, consumer electronics, or related topics. Write informative and engaging content about Best Buy products, including reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Include your unique affiliate link in your posts so readers can easily access Best Buy and make purchases. B. Social media marketing. Utilize platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube to promote Best Buy products. Share product reviews, unboxing videos, or tips related to consumer electronics. Include your affiliate link in your bio or descriptions to drive traffic to Best Buy. C. Email marketing. Build an email list and send newsletters or promotional emails featuring Best Buy products. Share exclusive deals, product recommendations, and your affiliate link to encourage subscribers to make purchases. 4. Create valuable content. To attract and retain an audience, focus on creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content. Share your unique insights, personal experiences, and expert opinions on the products you promote. This will help build trust with your audience and increase the likelihood of them clicking on your affiliate link. 5. Monitor and optimize your performance. Regularly check your affiliate program's reporting tools to track your earnings, clicks, and conversion rates. Analyze this data to identify which promotional methods and products are performing well and which need improvement. Use this information to optimize your strategies and focus on what works best for you. 6. Stay up to date with Best Buy products and promotions. Keep an eye on Best Buy's latest product releases, deals, and promotions. Share this information with your audience to keep them engaged and encourage them to make purchases through your affiliate link. 7. Network and collaborate. Connect with other affiliates, bloggers, or influencers in your niche to exchange ideas, collaborate on projects, or share promotional opportunities. Building a strong network can help you reach a wider audience and increase your chances of success. By following these steps and consistently creating valuable content, you can build a successful online business promoting Best Buy products and earning commissions in 2024.